Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a great day. In this video, I will show you how you can create custom shapes for your containers in Wix Studio. We are going to use the CSS code for this, and I'm going to show you how you can easily do the same thing in your Wix Studio website. So here is an example. I have converted this container into letter A, as you can see here, and inside this container I have added this image and a transparent video, as you can see here, right? So you can design similar containers and add your buttons or any other element that you want. For this we are going to use the CSS clip path, so let me show you how to use this. First of all, you have to add a container, of course. So let's add a container real quick, like this. And after that, you need to open your CSS code panel. So first of all, you have to, of course, engage your dev mode here. So in your Wix Studio website, you have to first click on Start Code Manually. This will give you the option to change your codes. After that, you have this CSS classes panel here. Click on it and select your container. This will give you the option to add custom classes right here, and you can give it any name you want, right? So just select your container and let's call it custom shape. All right, hit enter and it will be assigned to this container. Now you have to go to the global.css, which is right here, or you can also access it from your CSS panel right here as well. All right, so now we will add a very simple CSS code. First of all, you have to write the class name. So this one is custom shape. So dot custom shape followed by a bracket like this. Then write clip path and polygon. And inside this bracket, which is added right here, you need to add the path of your CSS shape. So you can use any SVG file, and there's this cool website called plantcss.com. It has a tool that converts SVG files into CSS paths, right? So you can use this free tool. So I have added the SVG file of a shape here, and I'm going to click on convert. And this will convert that shape into a path, as you can see right here. So this right here is the clip path, entire clip path, and you just have to paste it right here. So you can either copy the entire path and replace it, or you can just copy the content inside the bracket like this. So you can copy the entire polygon and paste it right here. All right, and this will be assigned to this shape, as you can see. Let me change the color real quick so you can see better. All right, so as you can see now, the container's shape has been changed. You can use responsive SVG files to create responsive containers, and if you want, you can use letters or any kind of SVG file. But make sure that SVGs are simple, because complex SVGs are hard to convert into this kind of paths. Right, so the simpler the better. Now you can add as many content as you want. Like you can add images. I can go to the media and like any media file you want, you can add it in this container. Like I have added this fire element here. I can just copy it and paste it in this container. So right here we have water, for example. I can use this and add it in my container. I have recolored it, so let me, right, so now we have a water inside it. Right, so you can now add as many content as you want. You can add your buttons, your images, and so on. But yeah, this is the basic idea. You can use any SVG file. You can convert text to SVG and use them like this, and many more things. But this is the basic idea. You just have to write the code, a very simple code, convert SVGs into paths, and add it in your CSS. This is not compatible with editor by default, but I haven't tried it, but you can maybe get the CSS class from the source code and maybe add into the head code, the CSS code. But I haven't tried it, so I don't know if this works or not. It's worth a try. But as much as the Wix Studio is concerned, you can easily change the shapes of your containers. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.